Hello little programmer students of Egypt and Arab world. So in the last class we saw how to apply the navigation bar. How to create a navigation bar and how to apply some styles to it, right? So next we are going to create the active or a current navigation link. So for example, you can see here at the top, see I have opened some tabs here, right? Files opened, but only the current tab is opened, right? It is active. So this we call it as active link. Now active link or active tab we call it as. So now how to apply this for the navigation bar? Let's see that. Okay, yeah. Now what I'm doing here, I'm creating a class for the home button. Okay, not button, the home tab. So here what I'm doing is I will create the class name is active. You can give whatever name you want. Now let's save this. Now go to the top. Now we have to do some style for the navigation. So active. Okay, active. So background color. So background color I want to apply green. Okay, yeah. And the text of the color should be white. When you apply the background color green, let's apply the text color white. So let's see now. Go to the web page. Sorry. Yeah. Refresh. Yes, you can see here. This is applied to the first home list and it is in the green color, right? It means this is active. So the web page is displaying what it is displaying. It is displaying regarding the home content. Whatever you have created, the home content that it is displaying. It means it is open. This page is opened here. Okay. Now let's apply some hover effect to your remaining elements. So now what I do is, so go to this li a dot not dot colon hover effect I'm applying. So the hover effect, let's apply the background color for the hover apply. So what color you want to apply, you can apply that color. So here I'm applying let's apply red, or else let's apply blue. Okay, so the text color should be white. Let's see, go to the web page. Yeah, you can see here, right? So the hover effect is also applying for the home, right? It should not apply for the home. Why it should apply for the home? Because the home is already opened. This tab is already opened. It should not be applied to this. So now how to remove that? So what you have to do is here again colon not for what? For the active class. Save this. Now go back to the code. Click on this. Yes, see, now it is only applying for the other elements, but it is not applying for the home button, right? So this is how you can apply the hover effects and the active link. Okay, yes. So next we will see how to apply the border for your links and also how to make them align them at the center of your blocks. Okay, so now go to the UL. Yeah, so for the UL I'm applying here border. So come down, so border, it will be around some 2 pixels solid. Sorry, yeah, 2 pixels solid, and the color will be black. Okay, and then control yes, go to the web page. Yes, you can see here 2 pixel border is applied, but the border is not applied for the components, right? So what we have to do here now, go to the code and yeah, now here what I'm doing is I'm creating one more style here. I'm applying for all the list, not only for the anchors. See here, if you add the border, it will apply only for those list. It means not for the block of the list. It just applies for the apply the border for the HOME content. I mean the list name, it will just apply the border. But I want to apply the border for the whole list. So all the lists. Okay. So now here border. Don't just apply. Yeah, the border bottom I'm applying because I already we applied the border at the right and the left. We just need at the bottom of the content. So now border bottom, it will be 1 pixel solid and black. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, right, border is applied for, but you can see here at the bottom it is looking a dark border, right? So how to remove this dark border for the last item? So what we do is go here and open the, again create li colon last child. So what is this last child? See, these lists are so these are relative to one another. Okay, so this is the first child and this will be the last child. So about will be considered as the last child and the home will be considered as first child. Okay, now so what I'm doing is I will apply here last child border bottom none. So save this, check it out. Yes, now you can see here it is removed, right? So the border bottom is removed for the last child. So this is how you can apply the border for your content. Okay, now if you want to display that navigation bar throughout the page, then how to display it? Let's see that. Now, if I want to display that throughout the page, then you have to make first here, you have to apply some style for the body. So body margin 0. Okay. And next, you have to add some styles in the UL because you are expanding that UL. Okay. So width, okay, width already we have set, and let's set the height. So height 100%. Okay, and let's see, only apply height and let's see how it displays. It is not applying. Why? Because we have not set the overflow auto. Okay, so let's apply the position fixed. Yes, see the position, we have to fix it and apply the overflow and also apply the 100% height. Okay, now this border is not looking that great because see the last child does not have any border, right? So what we have to do is let's remove the border part from this. So I'm not applying the border for the UL also and for the LI also, and this part will remove. Yeah, save this, go back to the web page. Yeah, now it looks pretty, right? So this is how you can apply the 100% vertical navigation bar, or if you want just the half of the page, or if you want to just display it at the left side corner, top corner, or a right side top corner, wherever you can display it, you can. But make sure how much height you are mentioning, how much width you are mentioning, everything you have to be careful with that. Otherwise your web page may look uh, different or it looks like odd. Okay, so design how it suits for that web page, and make sure the height and the width and the margin and the padding. Okay, great.